Hey guys, so today let's take a look at the image widget inside Flutter. So all this while we were working with text and how to style the text, and now it is time that we add an image into our application. Okay, so before that, let's just change our color of the app bar to blue-gray and let's give it a strength of 900. Let's also change the title to images. Let's also get rid of this small debug sticker over there. So let's just set that to false. Okay, so we've changed all of that. Now inside the body, let's pass in the image widget, and this image widget has another property called as image. So there are two types of image. One is the asset image and the other one is a network image. So asset images are those images that are already loaded into the project, whereas network images are images that we get from the internet. Okay, so let's just start off with asset image. Okay, so to load the asset image, first we have to come into our project, right click on our application and create a new directory. So let's name the directory images. Okay, so we have an images folder ready. So inside the images folder, let's load in our image. Okay, so I'm just sending that there and let's just click on refactor. Okay, now that is done, we can see our image is loaded into the Android Studio. Okay, so the next step that we have to do is go into the pubspec.yaml file. Okay, and we can see that we have something called as the assets here. So let's just uncomment that and make sure this assets is actually aligned to the user's material design. Okay, so let's just backspace that once and let's give this 2 tab spaces. Okay, since we're working with only one image, let's just remove the other one and let's give this image 2 spaces. Okay, so I've already named our folder as images and this should be our file name. So our file name over here is background. So let's just remove that and let's put it as background.jpg. Okay, let's make sure the format is the correct format, and after all that, just click on pubget. Okay, once that is done, inside the main dot you pass in your folder name / your file name. Okay, now let's just run this and see what happens. Okay, so now we can see our image is actually loaded into the application, right? So this is the example of an asset image. Now let's add in the network image. So the only thing that we have to change is make it network. Okay, let's just click on that and get rid of this other image. And inside this, let's pass in our image URL. So I've taken an image from the net and let's just pass in the image address. Okay, so let's just save that. And now we can see our network image is also loaded. Okay, so let's just make it a little more appealing. So for that, let's add in our background color and let's pass in. Okay, so now that we can see our 2 types of images are complete. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you do like the video, please do consider subscribing. I'll be making more videos really soon.